When referring to the 2-year rule in the context of lease extensions, what we're referring to is the qualifying criteria for a statutory lease extension. So a leaseholder can go to a freeholder at any time and negotiate an informal or a voluntary lease extension. But if they want to take what I would consider the safer route and serve a Section 42 notice and claim a statutory lease extension, you currently have to be registered at the land registry for 2 years as the owner of that leasehold interest. Now, what this means is that if somebody wants to sell and they've got a short lease, they often have to solve the problem themselves. They have to extend the lease themselves. But what we anticipate is that at some point in early 2025, the government is saying that they're now going to abolish the 2-year ownership requirement, and this will mean that somebody that owns a short leasehold property can sell it as it is. The buyer from day one will be able to initiate a statutory lease extension. Now, this is going to resolve a lot of issues because not everybody has the time or the money to extend the lease as part of the sale. And we all know that there can sometimes be gamesmanship by freeholders when carrying out a statutory lease extension, which can directly impact upon the sale process. So now we can avoid that altogether. The buyer comes in from day one, they sort out the short lease. And then it's just a question for the buyer and the seller as to how you negotiate the value of a short leasehold interest as against a longer leasehold interest, which will be something for the parties to agree between themselves, perhaps with the input of a leasehold valuation surveyor.